Medical astrology is a fascinating form of divination that has been practiced for thousands of years. It can be used to predict health-related issues, such as when you should take a break from your career and what types of illnesses are likely to affect you. This type of divination is often overlooked or misunderstood, but it may offer some answers that could benefit your life. What is medical astrology? Medical astrology utilizes the horoscope in order to answer questions about illness and wellness. The horoscope consists of 12 divisions signifying different areas of one's life, such as love, career, relationships, etc. Each area is represented by an animal that corresponds with specific traits about oneself and how these areas will play out in real-life situations. For example, the sign of Aries correlates with aggression and energy. This is why it represents an astrological symbol for the start of spring, because it marks when life starts to emerge out of its dormant state in winter. A medical astrology chart can help you understand your personality traits and how these may impact your health. When people are born, they are assigned a sun sign that is the basis for their horoscope. This represents who you truly are as a person. If you were born on April 20th, you would be an Aries. However, medical astrology takes into account the position of other celestial bodies that may influence you as well. For example, if you have emotional planets in your chart, this may cause additional stress to build up, which can lead to mental health issues. How can medical astrology help you? Medical astrology can be used to help you prepare for upcoming medical events in your life and avoid future health problems. It will tell you when is the best time to undergo surgery or take on a new career path. If you are unsure of your strengths and weaknesses, medical astrology can help answer these questions for you. For example, if the sign Capricorn is in the career area of your chart, this may mean that you tend to work too much and neglect time for yourself. This can lead to health problems such as a heart attack or a stroke. What are some of the benefits of medical astrology? A medical astrology chart is easy to understand and offers a wide range of benefits, such as helps you prepare for upcoming medical events in your life, provides insight into personality traits that can affect health, and tells you when the best time is to undergo surgery or take on a new career path. Medical astrology can help you prepare for upcoming medical events in your life and avoid future health problems. It will tell you when the best time is to undergo surgery or take on a new career path. How does medical astrology work? A medical astrology chart is created with information about your sun sign, birth date, and birth location. All of this information is used to determine which signs are most influential in different areas of one's life, such as love or health. Then, a horoscope is drawn that illustrates what types of illnesses a person may develop based on their personality traits, what career path they are best suited for based on their astrological sign, and when the most favorable time is to undergo surgery or take on new medical procedures. What should you consider before seeing a medical astrologer? Before you see a medical astrologer, there are a few things you should consider. First and foremost, you should make sure that the astrologer is reputable and has a lot of experience in the field. Second, be honest with them about your health concerns and ask as many questions as possible. This will help them create an accurate chart for you. Finally, be patient and allow yourself time to digest the information they give you. Astrology is not meant to take the place of conventional medicine, but it can offer some valuable insights into your health. Are there any risks associated with medical astrology? There are no risks when it comes to medical astrology because all of the information is coming from personal accounts and past experiences. That said, it is always crucial to be honest with your medical astrologer about any health problems you may be having in order to get the most accurate reading. Some people like to combine their consultations with conventional medicine for an extra level of accuracy. What should you expect from a consultation with a medical astrologer? When meeting with an astrologer, ask as many questions as possible to finalize your chart. You should make sure the astrologer is legit by talking to them for a few minutes and asking about their experience. Ask what type of medical astrology they practice, such as horary astrology, and talk about health concerns you may have. We hope this video helped you better understand medical astrology and its many benefits. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. We also want to hear from you. Do you regularly use medical astrology? Leave us a comment below and tell us what has helped you in your life with medical astrology. Check out this video, 9 surprising astrology predictions, and I'll see you in the next video.